If you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! PSA, Juvia's Place has done a surprise launch with their new AFROGALACTIC collection. I mean, look at the package. Even the package, like, if you didn't know, which you probably didn't know, because for the first time, we got the product along with the launch. So today we're going to dive into the AFROGALACTIC launch. I'm going to show you everything that comes in the launch. We're going to do swatches. Although, if you've been watching for a while, you know I do not like swatches because swatches don't do an actual product justice, especially for the simple fact that sometimes when you swatch it, it's patchy, but when you blend it in, it's better. So keep that in mind when you see the swatches. So we're going to do swatches. We're going to do a little eyeshadow tutorial. But before we get into it, I will tag everything right here. So definitely tag that view products tag. If it's not there, you're definitely going to find it down below in the description box. Of course, you can use my code Ohemaa at checkout with Juvia's Place. It is not an affiliate code, but it does give you a discount. Let's go ahead and jump into the new Juvia's Place AFROGALACTIC launch. About the AFROGALACTIC palette, it says, where cosmic beauty meets stellar elegance, inspired by the captivating wonders of the galaxy. This palette is carefully curated to capture the awe-inspiring elements of the universe, featuring duochrome, bold cosmic shades. The possibilities are endless. And yes, there are a few duochromes in here that upon first swatch, you might think they look alike, but I went ahead and also swatched those ones that I feel kind of almost look the same separate, so you can see that yes, there is a difference. And of course, seeing them on camera and also like under my lights, they almost look the same, but in real life, they're given a lot more. So keep that in mind. Let's jump into the breakdown. Let's see what this collection is all about. Right now, you can get the PR box as a gift box on the website, and this is what it looks like when you first get it. Of course, it has this beautiful art. The Juvia's Place always makes sure to knock out the park on the packaging. When you open it, you get the palette and the 4 duochromes beautifully packaged in the collection. Let's jump into the glitter liners. They're very skinny. These are all the glitter liners swatch. From the top, we have Star Girl, Unique, Venus, and Metaverse. Okay, Metaverse is just like calling my name. All the shades are consistent when you're applying it. It's not patchy. It moves very smoothly. You might have to go over it a few times depending on your skin tone and depending on certain shades. Let's go ahead and jump into the palette. The palette comes with the box that has the same art as the palette. This is the palette by itself, and of course in the back it tells you the ingredients and everything in here. This palette is actually called Beautiful Horizons. Let's jump into the palette. Okay, now when you open the palette, this is what you get. There are some very interesting shades in here. Like this shade is called Solar, very interesting, and this shade called Supernatural. Like this whole palette is given. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Because of how big the palette is and because I am absolutely terrible at swatching, I decided to go ahead and give you the swatches in pieces. Okay, so I'm swatching each line on my hand. So let's start off with the top one, then we're gonna go to the second, third, and fourth. Okay, let me show you what the 4 shades that I feel look very similar together. They look almost similar, but they're also very, very different. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, first we're gonna prime the eyes. We're using Urban Decay Primer Potion because this is gonna help our eyeshadow stay in place all day. It's also gonna help prevent our oils from coming through. And I like blending it in with my fingers because it just melts in better. We're going in with the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime. She's gonna go ahead and blend this all over the eyelids. Okay, first things first, we're using the shade Galaxy, and I'm just lightly tapping into it, and we're going to place that on the outer corner of the eye. But I'm also tapping off the excess, that way I don't put too much on. We're tapping it in, and then we're gonna blend it out to cover all this white shade that we got over there. Next, we're gonna go into the shade Light because don't ask me why, I don't know. Okay, we're going in with Light. Of course, the orange made sense because, I mean, the orange made sense because October 1st, look at my set today. It made sense, but the pink, I have no idea, okay? It's just, we're just going with the flow at this point. We're just gonna see where this leads, and I already like the blend. It's cute. So I'm just placing the pink shade on my eye, and of course I'm blending it out. Because I have my base done today, I'm being very light-handed with how much shade I'm putting on and just building up the shade as I go. Okay, next I'm going to the shade Mars. It's this deep plumish shade. We're gonna use it on the crease to deepen everything. I'm not gonna blend it too far up because I still want my pink and my orange transitions to show, but we definitely needed some depth, so that's why I'm adding it. I'm just placing the shade exactly where my eye folds or rolls in, and ever so lightly I'm gonna blend it up. Okay, we're gonna go in with a little bit of Revolution Makeup glitter base or glitter adhesive, and we're just gonna put it all over this light part. The challenge is picking the right shimmer shade for this look because I don't know. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go in with Mother Earth. I don't know. I'm just gonna go in with Mother Earth to see what it looks like. If it doesn't look okay, I will switch gears. Okay, I'm going in with Moonlight, and Moonlight is this gorgeous red shade in the palette. I'm gonna use it to blend the edges of this out. See how it's very stark? I'm gonna make it look like this because of course the purple will blend out into some sort of a pink, but I just want to expedite that process and use the red to just give it this gorgeous hue. I just love it. For the final, I'm taking the shade Alien. Because it's this silver shade, I'm gonna put it directly. So I'm putting the silver shade directly in the middle to give it this high shine effect directly in the middle of the eye. You can see the difference. This is what we got. We're gonna clean up the edges, apply a little bit of that deep purple shade on my lower lash line, and we're gonna go ahead apply these Juvia's Place lashes. I'm gonna put a little bit of Metaverse in my inner corner because I absolutely love what this looks like. I completely forgot about them. So I got this bright idea to put some of Metaverse on the tips of my lashes because why not? Just gives it a little bit of something. It's like it's there, but it's not quite there. You don't have to glitter up your lashes like at all, like absolutely not necessary. Okay, so this is the finished look of me trying out the Juvia's Place AFROGALACTIC collection. I know. It came together really quite nicely. I feel like this look represents the palette really well. It's loud in here because all of a sudden everybody decided to cut their grass. Bear with me on that. If I didn't have this collection, I would have bought the collection. The palette is really gorgeous. Everything blended in so beautifully together. I absolutely love that I put the glitter liners on the lashes. If not, you can also of course line your eyes with it. If you're looking at it, like if you were talking to me, you would literally only see the glitter liner on the tips of the lashes, but like on camera it's picking up all the angles and I am here for it. But yeah, let me know down below in the comments what you think about this look. I will link everything down below in the description box, and of course if you pick this up, remember to use the code Ohemaa at checkout. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.